So what's up guys for today's video? for today's video second Yeah, see the houses, it's different different from the Philippines also.
Different.
Different, very different. Where are we going second?
I don't know.
I don't
Gas station.
Gas station. So that's it guys. We are here in Port Alfred, Canada. Port Alfred,
Nothing especially.
nothing special. Maybe we will see some special there.
We'll see.
Houses
On the midnight.
on the midnight But second already drink 4 beers But it's very easy Nothing happened. Nothing happened. Oh. See?
Oh, shell. Also.
Shell. Yeah, I think that's we don't watch something when we get old. Right, second? See, we enjoy, sometimes we enjoy looking for our photos
Yeah.
like this, like that. And we are in Canada, Port Alfred. Woo! It's not Philippines, but Canada.
No snow.
No snow, In Croatia, has snow?
No.
No? Oh. Same like this.
Yeah, this is the end of the city.
Yeah.
We'll pass all the city for the 25 minutes. That's it.
That's it. Oh, it looks like there is no pub
nothing.
here, because we didn't see any McDonald's.
No. Market, no bar.
See, guys. We enjoy walking. Enjoy walking. So what's up guys? Ay guys. Naghiwalay kami second dun. Sabi ko dun na lang siya muna sa may beer kasi may nakita akong may grocery store dito. Merong grocery store dito. And syempre pag lalabas tayo, pagkain talaga yung ating hinahanap guys. May mga nakita tayong bata doon naglalaro. Wala masyadong tao dito, napaka peaceful. Port Alfred, Canada. Yung tawag dito. Oh, nandun yung barko namin sa Tapos may McDonald's din doon. Maganda mag-jogging dito pag umaga guys. And syempre tayo naka-short lang. Mangunguma tayo ngayon guys. Mangunguma. Alam ko dito yun galing ikot-ikot na lang kami kaysa naman sumama pa siya sa akin, di ba? Alam mo naman, pag ako, lakad talaga ako guys. May nakita akong dito, pero mas gusto ko talaga mag-isa. Kung may pera lang, joke lang. Meron akong nakita ditong parang restaurant, may cake. Mamaya daanin ko. Yun, nakita ko na. Parang mali ata